Cleaning Roborock S5 Max. Turn off and unplug the robot vacuum cleaner. Remove the dustbin and empty it into the bin. Empty the rubbish. Filter. You could remove it and clean it or wash it. You can wash it with the water and let it dry. Tool. We could use it for the hair removal. Remove the mop. If it's dirty, you can wash it into the washing machine. Remove the water tank. Empty the water tank. Using a Phillips screwdriver, you remove the side brush. You can clean it easily. Put it back in. Main brush. Use 2 clicks. Brush, you just remove it like that. You can unlock it just with a movement on the side, and we'll remove the hair with the arrow. Put it back in and lock it. Also the other side, just unlock it, remove it, remove the hair debris, all the hair, remove it with the tool. Like that. With the needle, just remove the lion scale from the dispensers. Just gently lock it into the position. Check the sensors for any debris and clean it with a cloth. Also charging ports. Wheel, using small screwdriver, just push it slightly up and clean it. Then gently slide it in. Clean the front sensors from the dust. Wipe the exterior with a soft cloth. For the cleaning schedule, you go to Roborock app, then to maintenance. Then you can see all the schedules for your filter, how many hours remaining for your main brush, and also for the side brush, sensors, and also how many hours it's for mop cleaning. Usually you can clean it once or twice a month. That's the best timing what I'm using. If it's all clean, just return it back in. And that's your cleaning done. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, just hit the subscribe button.